Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. The last time I traveled, I was really at a loss when it came to having all of my makeup with me, and the biggest problem I had was not having a mirror. This beautiful case from JENNI V is going to be my next favorite thing when I'm traveling. This case would be perfect whether you need it for at home or for traveling. The case has everything that you need so that you can keep all of your makeup and beauty items together, and it comes with a beautiful mirror inside and even a magnifying mirror. Both of the mirrors light up, so you really don't have to worry about having the right lighting because you will have it with you wherever you are. I really appreciate that the big mirror comes out and you can actually place it, whether it be in a small cramped bathroom or on your vanity counter or on your desk, wherever you need it, it will come out and you can keep it separate from the case. The case itself has a beautiful interior lining with compartments that you can resize depending on what size your toiletries are. I love how luxurious it feels. It really feels well made. The beautiful detailing with the zipper around the side, and you can see the inside. It's very durably made. It really has every space that you need for all of your traveling. This case is so thoughtfully done. They even included a cloth so you can clean that mirror wherever you are. Both of the mirrors are completely rechargeable, and you'll definitely have whatever you need with you the next time that you need it. But that's just my point of view.